Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore jewelries across India and how it holds significance in the Indian culture. Let's explore Andhra Pradesh jewelry and how it has become popular in the southern area of India. We can't help but believe Andhra Pradesh weddings when we hear about them because of the vibrant saris, the traditional music, and of course the exquisite bridal jewelry. Guess how much gold the bride gets to purchase? We are jealous too, given all the rituals they need and the requirement that the bride wear traditional Andhra Pradesh jewelry. What's the most fascinating aspect, by the way? The five southern states' diverse cultures differ greatly from one another, which makes the wedding styles seen here every different. This implies that there will be variations in ceremonies, attire, and bridal jewelry from South India. Let's explore some most popular jewelries from Andhra Pradesh. Papidi Bila. The bride wears the recognizable Papidi Bila on her forehead, but she goes for a softer, more understated gold design. Jada Phool, a hairpiece made of fresh flowers such as roses and jasmines, with a gold decoration sandwiched in between. The bride's full jada adorned in her braid. In addition to the traditional styles, modern brides have also created a netted version of this timeless flower hair ornament. Golusu Sutralu. The Sutralu Golusu, a crucial component of the wedding ritual, is comparable to a Mangal Sutra in North India and is one of the most significant elements of a Telugu wedding. During the marriage ritual, the bride is tied around his neck by the groom. Gundala Haram, a beaded necklace made of gold. This classic and fashionable necklace features several beaded layers that may be combined together by the pendant on one or both sides. The precious Gundla harams that contemporary ready bride wears, traditionally worn by women of the nobility. Lakshmi Kadiyam. An essential piece of bridal jewelry is Lakshmi Kadiyam. As the name suggests, the Lakshmi Kadiyam could also be a bracelet with designs of goddess Lakshmi encircled by the tiny flowers pattern or set with priceless stones. This magnificent adornment, which symbolizes wealth and prosperity, is worn by ladies not just at festivals but also by newlyweds. Chandbali. It's possible that a lot of brides and celebrities choose these crescent-shaped earrings. These varying sized earrings, adorned with flower designs and pearl drops, go with a variety of ensembles. Karan Phool. Earrings with a hint of vintage elegance will elevate any ensemble, featuring a pearl strand that can be placed in your hair and knotted back. This piece serves both a hair decoration and a means of revealing pressure of the lobes to ensure the bride is as comfortable as possible. Jada Hua Lacha. Made of gold and uncut diamonds with drop stones of emerald or rubies, the Jada Hua Lacha is usually the most elaborate and eye-catching piece of jewelry worn during a Torosu. So these were some exotic jewelry pieces from Andhra Pradesh. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, please like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for new upcoming videos.